Hi, the idea of this application, this CLI application, is to scrape this website of St. Petersburg top 20 architectural landmarks and attractions. They are all listed here with a very short description, that all 20 of them, and to list them in a numbered list, and then to give the user an opportunity to go one level deeper and display a more detailed description of the landmark in question, and if available, also display some contact information, directions, and business hours. So this is the tree of the application, and the executable file is essentially here in the bin directory. So as a local application, it works like we go to the bin directory and then to landmarks, and this what happens first. The application welcomes us to the top 20 St. Petersburg architectural landmarks and prints a numbered list of these landmarks. Then, if we are interested in finding out more about one of the landmarks, we just enter the number. For example, let's say 6, and press enter, and it gives us again the name of the landmark and a description. Sometimes it is longer, sometimes shorter, but it is a description of the landmark. And some of the landmarks also have more information to them in terms of the directions, contact information, and business hours. And if we're interested, we can press yes. And here it is, the address, the subway station, open, business hours, phone number, website, and so forth. At this point, we can decide whether or not we can take a look at another landmark. If yes, we get essentially back to the beginning of the CLI application, where we can again start from the beginning and enter a number of a different landmark. For example, 2. As you can see, the description is considerably longer. It's a very important historical building, and we can also try to see what's going on with the directions, business hours, and contact information. And here we go. This is some information, some additional information on this landmark. We can choose, to say another landmark. For example, number 20. It is an island, also architecturally significant. And in this case, for example, if we want to see like directions, contact information, business hours, we can press yes. And there is nothing of the kind, because it's just an island. It doesn't have any business hours or contact information. The application, exactly the same point where the application gives you an opportunity to decide whether or not you want to see more information or another landmark. At those 2 points, it gives you an opportunity to exit the application, and by pressing no, you just exit the program. It thanks you for your interest and wishes you welcome in the future. This is how it works. Thank you.